India's student suicide rate has surpassed the overall trend and the population growth rate, according to a report on the NCRB data. Now, this new report reveals an alarming rise in student suicides in India, highlighting an urgent need for mental health support as well. Incidents of student suicides in India have grown at an alarming annual rate, surpassing the population growth rate and the overall suicide trends, according to a new report. Now, based on the National Crime Bureau records, the NCRB data, the student suicides and epidemic sweeping India. This particular report was launched on Wednesday. The report points out that while the overall suicide numbers are increased by 2% annually, student suicide cases surged by 4%, despite a likely underreporting of student suicide cases. Now, over the past 2 decades, student suicides have grown at an alarming annual rate of 4%, double the national average. Back in 2022, male students constituted 53% of the total student suicides. And between 2021 and 2022, male student suicides decreased by 6%, while female student suicides increased by 7%, according to the report that has been put out. The incidence of student suicides continues to surpass both population growth rates and overall suicide trends. Overall, the last decade, while the population of 0 to 24-year-olds reduced from 5.82 million to 581 million, the number of student suicides increased from 6,654 to almost more than double. That stands at 13,044 suicides. And according to this report, the states of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh are identified as the states with the highest number of student suicides, together accounting for 1/3 of the national total. Southern states and union territories collectively contribute 29% of these cases, whilst Rajasthan, known for its high-stakes academic environment, well, we all know the stories that come out of Kota, ranks number 10th, highlighting the intense pressure associated with coaching hubs like Kota. The data compiled by the NCRB is based on police records, first information reports, that's FIRs. However, it is important to acknowledge that the actual number of student suicides is likely underreported. Both genders have experienced an average annual increase of 5% in the last 5 years. These alarming statistics underscore the critical need for enhanced counseling infrastructure and a deeper understanding of student aspirations. The latest report says student suicide rate is more than the national and the population growth rate.